Hi, how are you? Martin here from CarWow. Now I'm sat in a BMW X6M Competition. Next to me is a Porsche Cayenne Turbo SE Hybrid, and next to that is an Audi RSQ8. Let me tell you about this car. It has a 4.4 litre twin turbo V8 with 625 horsepower and 750 Newton meters of torque. It's all-wheel drive with an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. It's quite a heavy car, weighs around 2,400 kilos. Also, it's quite expensive, £113,000. That Porsche, it's got a 4-litre twin-turbo V8, a couple of electric motors and some batteries, and combined it produces 680 horsepower and 900 Newton meters of torque. It's also all-wheel drive, obviously, and it's got an 8-speed automatic gearbox. It's a bit of a porker, though. See what I did there? It weighs in at around 2,500 kilos. It's quite expensive as well. £123,000. Finally then, the Audi. So it's got a 4-litre twin-turbo V8, same one as in the Porsche actually, but without all the electrical stuff. As a result, you only have 600 horsepower and 800 Newton meters of torque. It's also all-wheel drive, got an 8-speed automatic gearbox like the others, launch control, blah, blah, blah. It is the lightest though, around 2,300 kilos, and it's the cheapest, if ever £101,000 was ever cheap. But anyway, that's how much it costs. So we're gonna have a drag race, obviously, and I brought along my old chum, Yianni from Yianni Myers. Hey Jan, how you doing, mate?
Hi Matt, how are you? Nice to be here. Thanks for having me. Miss you, love you long time.
I see you've been on holiday and you've just flown back in
straight from Cyprus, where it looked very sunny, to here.
What do you think of our weather today? Do you love it?
So yesterday it was 30 degrees and I was by the pool, and today I'm on a runway in the pouring down rain. That's what you call committed to CarWow.
Well, I think we should both be committed for drag racing today, and a lot of people watching this will be, why are you racing in the wet? Why are we racing in the wet, Yianni? Can you explain to them?
We're in Britain, we don't choose the weather. What are we going to do?
Yeah, you want to see some drag races, don't you? And we booked the cars, we booked the track, so why not? And it does rain in real life, so we may as well drag race in real life and get on with it.
So what do you reckon's going to happen? Do you reckon I'm going to beat you?
I want to know why I'm not in the wrapped car on the far end. Like, I should be in that car, don't you think?
That's actually a car that's been lent to us by CS Panda, and if you click on the pop-out banner up there, you can actually check out their channel.
And let's be straight, that's not an Urus, is it? I don't care what anyone says, an RSQ8 is not an Urus.
Anyway, shall we do this?
Let's go.
Now before we do though, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also, sound check time. Let's rev up this BMW. Well, have I got a soft limiter? BMW, what are you doing? What? BMW, you don't normally do this. What the hell is going on?
Rev up your Porsche, Yianni. I want to hear that.
Ooh, a little bit of
Snap, crackle and pop.
Yeah, all I heard was let's hear that Audi RSQ8. Can't tell if it's revving its engine. Let me know which you think sounds the best. We're doing a vote in the comments below. Now, let's come with the drag race.
Buying a new car? Then head to CarWow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. CarWow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
3, 2, 1.
Oof, I was off the line quick then.
You jumped that start.
I hope I didn't jump it.
Mate, you jumped.
This thing, monsters!
Come on.
Is that Porsche coming back? No, and neither's the Audi. Victory.
Looked like you jumped the start there, mate.
Did I jump the start? It felt pretty tight, or did you just kind of
Hang around a bit too long. Do you know what I'm willing to do?
I'm willing to give it another go, but we'll play a replay and we'll see what people actually thought.
3, 2, 1.
Got him again.
Oh my God. Launch died. Launch died. Launch died just as the hands come down.
Okay, do you know what we're going to do, Yianni? We're going to do it one more time, but
Before we do, I need you to just say one thing.
it's Matt. Your reaction time is better than mine.
How can I say that when the car failed?
I didn't fail. It's the launch failed. Don't blame.
Is he saying it? I hope he's saying it.
Don't bother waiting for it, you're not getting it.
I'm just going to pretend that he is.
All I know is I was quicker than the RSQ8.
Living a dream. Let's go again.
3, 2, 1.
This thing just shoots off the line.
Wow, that car's quick.
Yianni's done a better job that time. He ain't gonna do it. Oh! Smug git. Thanks, BMW.
Were you happy with your launch that time? Yeah, it launched good.
You just got a quicker car. Got to hold my hands up on that one.
Do you know what? I haven't even mentioned the RSQ8. What happened to it? I can't even see it from where I am.
Yeah, got a good launch, but just does not have the power to keep up with you two.
Wow, 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 wow.
So then what exactly happened? Well, despite the wet conditions, the BMW completed the standing quarter mile in 11.8 seconds. The Porsche was just behind, crossing the line in 12 seconds, while the Audi took 12.3 seconds.
Now we're going to have a rolling race with the cars in their comfort mode and gearboxes in fully automatic, so chill mode. They've done the same. Okay then guys, let's do this rolling race. Stay with me, 50 miles an hour, and I'll call it in. 3, 2, 1, go! Floor it. This picked up really well, that Porsche even better. Obviously the electrical assistance really helps it out, and look at it go.
Come on, mate.
Can I come past it? Come on, BMW!
130.
I can see him looking over, thinking, what's just happened? I think we get the idea.
What happened there? To 130, I was doing all right, mate.
That thing picked up really quickly. I mean, it just spurted ahead. You spurted, Yianni.
Again, is it just you and me in this race? Is there another car here? Just so we know, that Panda is not a bull. I don't care what anyone says.
No. RSQ8, did you enjoy a little drive out?
Yeah, the Q8 is essentially a really comfy seat to watch you two have a race from.
Right, now we're going to have a rolling race, but this time we're going to be locked in third gear and the car's in the sportiest settings, so I can quickly do that by just pressing this M button there. There we go, all good. Right, here we go, you ready? Get level with me. Level, level, level. 3, 2, 1, go. That Audi picked up good then. Porsche's coming back now, what's going on?
Oh, this is doing all right. 130 and I'm pulling away.
Weird.
Come on.
This is like the weirdest race, what's happening?
150.
What? I've absolutely no idea what's happened.
Goodbye, everybody.
God, this car's all over the place.
Oh, that's a bit wobbly. Jeez.
Yianni, I'm completely bemused by what happened then. Like, I got ahead of you, then you just came past. Have you got some kind of like
Nitrous bottle in there that you've just engaged? I've actually got no idea, but this went 130, 140, 150, 160. When it hit 170,
It was all over the road, and I was like, ooh, squeaky bum time.
I've no idea. Maybe when you have it in hybrid mode, it just doesn't let you go as fast as you'd like. I literally have no idea. It's a win in that race then for Yianni. Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. That Porsche is the heaviest. The Audi is the lightest, and this is in the middle. I'm not sure there's a big enough of a difference for it to really make any kind of impact, but we shall see. I forgot to say something, Yianni.
I'm ready.
No, get level, or get level. Do you know what? You were level until I started talking, then you started to creep forward.
Get with me, get with me. Get level, get level.
Why does it do that? It's just disobedient. Here's a line anyway. Can't find my... Oh, there it is. Shot forward. Well, the BMW won that. Are you happy with my braking, Yianni?
Yeah, man, whatever. What do you want me to say to you? It's a brake test in the wet.
Yeah, exactly. It is what it is. This happened, didn't it?
We can dress it however you want, mate, but what do you want us to say?
So the Audi RSQ8 stopped in a certain distance, and the Porsche stopped in another certain distance, and this stopped in another distance, which seems to be a shorter distance than the other two, but it could be influenced by standing water, who knows. Anyway, let's just call it a win for the BMW. So then, overall, we have victory for this new BMW X6M. The BMW fanboys are just absolutely loving it in the comments. Please stop it, BMW fanboys. Don't get too carried away. Now, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. Let us know some other videos you'd like to see in the comments below. Anyway, that's enough from me, Yianni, and the faceless person in the RSQ8. Thanks for watching.